Hi everyone, it's Matt here. A massive well done to all that took part in our first video. This time we'll be recording Star Wars. I'll begin by telling you what you will need in order to record. Place your music in front of you, whether that be a printed copy or a digital copy. Then ensure your device is recording in landscape. Press record on your recording device, then press play on the backing track, which will follow at the end of the video. You'll hear Mr. Toyne give 2 bars count in, then you're in. Once you've finished playing, remain still for a second or two before ending your recording. I must add that if you feel uncomfortable with recording a video, you can just record audio, and I will include it. The final step is sending off your recording. Go to wetransfer.com, click Add Your Files, make sure Send Email Transfer is selected, and input my email, mfoster2@dret.co.uk, and add your own email too. Then click Transfer, wait for it to upload, and that's it, you're done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at mfoster2@dret.co.uk.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.